this is the fake edge hack that I created that hit over 50 million plus views across the internet. And guess what? I am about to do it again. I have traction alopecia. As you can see, I am going to start out by slicking my hair down in a ponytail, and I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel. If you have fine, thin hair like myself, less is best, because what it does is it just makes the hair look a lot thinner. I'm going to take my satin hair tie and just place my hair safely in a ponytail, like so. And then we're going to make a little bun in the back, just like that. We're going to go in with our Got to Be glue in the black tube. I prefer the black one. It doesn't have a white cast on it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit, and we're just going to make sure we just add a little bit on the edges, and we're going to let that dry because we want to lock them in place. When we do our fake edges, if we don't do this step, what will happen is the edges will slip and slide around, and it just won't look right. And this just makes it look really neat and uniform. Get your edges situated straight going back. See how I'm slicking that back? We're going to dry it. So the hair is now all nice and dry. We don't have to worry about it moving when we go to apply our fake edges. So we should be looking like this. So we're going to go in with some Bobbi Boss braiding hair. I just prefer using it because it's more closer to my hair texture versus the hair that I'm about to show you has more of like a yucky type texture in it, and it doesn't match my hair very well. This is a process that you really have to practice. Take your scissors and kind of just make some little blunt little cuts into the hair, like so. Now we're going to take our Got to Be glue, hair glue, and we're going to apply a generous amount where you want to add your fake edges. You want to take it all the way back because that's where my balding area is. Then I like to go ahead and place it where I want it. Take my clip it down like so. Take your comb, kind of like brush it forward and hold it back here. And then we're just going to pull until we get it to where we want, like so. And it's just all preference, guys. You have to find what works for your hair. I'm happy with that placement. I'm going to take a little bit more hair and just try to add a little hair where the edges are right here, like so. I'm going to take another banana clip right here, place it right there. Once we get it where we want it, we're just going to cut and just kind of separate the hairs like so. And if you need to pull back just a little bit more, just pull back. See how I got it situated? Once you're happy with the hairline, then I like to take a generous amount of the Got to Be glue. I'm going to glue this down pretty good, guys, without messing with the hair, if that makes sense. And then you can cut whatever is needed away. You want to do this before it gets good and dry. All right, so we're going to repeat again on this side. We're going to go in with our blow dryer and we're going to dry this down. So the hair that I use is the model 10 time glance formation natural braiding hair in 60 inches. And so this is in the color 1B. So this is one pack of the hair. And this is why I was telling you I used the Bobbi Boss hair in the beginning, because you see how the texture of this hair has like this little yucky texture. Well, it does show on the fake edges. Here's our braid that we made. We're going to take it and we're just going to tie it on the ponytail like so. And we're just going to wrap it around in a bun. And then we're going to pin it. All right, so we're going to take our second braid and wrap it around the first bun, and we're just making it bigger. So this is the last braid, and this is going to be our halo. Just one big jumbo plait. I left the rubber band here at the top to tie it in the back. Let's go ahead and cut off our hair strips. We're going to take our little halo. I'm just going to tie it back here. All we're doing is tying it in the rubber band, and we're going to tuck it. Bobby pin it down for a little extra security right here on the sides so it doesn't slip around. I choose to use some big bulky hair jewels like so. And put one there, one here on this side. That does it for this look, guys. This is it. It's super easy. I have me some edges. What do you think? Leave me your comments below and let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.